Today, we will connect simple shapes to make our own hybrid arpeggios so we can improvise killer voice leading.
Froggy, I'm flabbergasted. Boring George never sounded this good.
Lesson by lesson, he's becoming, dare I say, hip.
Hip in a boring way, but I like it. Is it easy?
Yes, because we're using a very clever trick from Barry Harris. We just connect two shapes, a Cmaj6 shell voicing and a drop 2 diminished shape with mindful fingering on the fretboard. Here's the cool part. Using Barry's borrowing concept, these shapes melt into each other. They stop being just shapes and start behaving like one smooth voice-led sound. Also, did you know Am7 is just an inversion of Cmaj6? That means this idea works for -7 chords too. Slick, right?
Wow, so F6 combined with this diminished 7th voicing is perfect for D minor 7? Amazing!
Now let's move these Cmaj6 diminished drop 2 voicings horizontally across the fretboard. Pay close attention to all the chords this gives us. It's voice leading magic at your fingertips.
As you know, Froggy is obsessed with voice leading. We're piano nerds at heart, and we will be looking at some great voice leading by Bach, Chopin, and Debussy, the masters of melodic motion. Before we dive into their work, we're starting with two guitar legends, Agustin Barrios Mangore and Barney Kessel. Trust me, their voice leading is just as rich and elegant. Now, don't worry, we haven't forgotten about rhythm. We'll be swinging soon enough. And yes, Froggy loves Joe Pass, but these lessons are not about him. If you're itching for that style, check out Jens Larsson's recent videos. They're super clear and beginner-friendly. Coming up, modern piano textures that translate beautifully to the guitar. New shapes, new sounds, pure inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson.
Thank you for watching.